All right, so this was a new question that I got. Somebody said entry-level degree for getting into cybersecurity. All right, I've followed you for quite some time now, and you are doing such a great job helping people like myself, and would like to thank you for all you do. Well, thank you. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. I would like to ask for some advice, some background on myself. I hold a BS in health science, Security Plus, an AWS Cloud Dev. They're an MCITP, and they have a TSSCI clearance. Well, that's awesome. That's really great. Hope that's all on your resume. I have 1 year's worth of MS SQL Server admin experience. That's awesome. My dilemma that I'm not sure which route that I should take between an ISSO or a cybersecurity analyst. Do you suggest one over the other, considering easier career transition? And by the way, I could not find your email contacts. I put the email contacts right there. That's the cyberaware2020@gmail.com. Now, I can't promise you I'm going to get to you immediately. I've got so many solicitations from companies, from affiliate programs, from people wanting me to do more, from people wanting me to do one-on-one sessions with them, from people asking me questions like you see here. I got so much stuff going on, so sometimes it takes me a while to get to you. But if you email me, go through my email, and it's one of the main ways that I get more content. So yeah, email me at that address if you have any questions whatsoever. Anyway, okay, so the question is, for this particular subject matter, is do I suggest, my dilemma is I'm not sure which route I should take, ISSO or cyber analyst. Let me change the wording on this one. That would probably be a better fit for the course or for this video description right here. ISSO or cybersecurity analyst? That's the question. And if you guys have any comments, I've gotten a couple comments already, people suggesting things, which route. And Wayne says, I would ask him, which route does he want? An information systems security officer management side or the security analyst technical side? That's a great point. Anybody else have any suggestions? I have one. My suggestion right here is follow the money. What do you mean, Bruce? What do you mean by follow the money? What could you possibly mean by follow the money? Let me explain to you, sir, what that means, or ma'am. I'm going to explain to you what that means. What does follow the money mean? What I would do, given your situation, having a bachelor's degree, having a TSSCI, having a Security Plus, these are awesome certifications and or experience. I would take my resume, I would put it on monster.com, I would put it on dice.com, I would put it on linkedin.com, I would put it on all .coms, right? I would put it everywhere so you couldn't miss me. And I'd put all my skills, and I would definitely put that out of an SEI or some sort of security clearance that's active, right? I would put all that stuff out there on all those sites. And then I would take the job that pays me the most. That's what I would do. I'd follow the money. Now, it does depend, like Wayne suggested, what you want to do, because information systems security officer work is more, it leans more towards a management type approach. You don't really have hands-on technical, day-to-day technical stuff going on, right? It's a lot of like reading policies, evaluating documentation, coordinating with other subject matter experts in the field. It's stuff like that, right? It's meetings, things like that. If you want a more technical, hands-on approach, then it's going to be a cybersecurity analyst work. So it really depends on what you want. But if money is a factor, and it is for me, I would follow the money. I would go who's paying me the most with the best company, right? It would be a combination of those things. I also want to have a work-life balance. I want a company who's not going to run me into the ground and have me do all these extracurricular stuff that's not even in my career path. And then I also want to be compensated properly. So those two things for me stand out the most. That's what I have done in my career, and that's what's helped me to grow, is to follow the money, where the money leads. But also you have to have that healthy balance. So that's what I would do between the two. It really depends on what you want. Like Wayne says, do you want more management? Do you want more technical hands-on type stuff? And as far as you're looking at your skill set and what you do, which one would be an easier path for you? It sounds like you're more technical, like you're more hands-on. So if you feel like you want to continue that, then it will be cybersecurity analyst would probably be easier for you. However, if you want to lean more, like Wayne says, gets to the more management side, you could easily go to the ISSO path because you already have everything it takes to do that. So I hope that answers your question, sir or ma'am, on that one. I appreciate that question. If you guys have any questions whatsoever for ConvoCourses here or on the site or on TikTok or whatever, we're all over the place, so you can ask those questions there and we'll do our best. And as you can see, I've got other subject matter experts that are chiming in, giving you their 2 cents. So this is a conversation. That's what this is all about.